Now, let's study about features of human resource. Human resource of a country has quantitative as well as qualitative features. Of these, let's first study about quantitative features. Quantitative features can be divided into four. 1. Size of population. 2. Population density. 3. Growth of population. 4. Population structure. Of these, let's first study about size of population. Size of population refers to the total number of people residing in a country at a particular time. The branches of social science that analyses the population, changes in its size, its structural aspects, etc. is known as demography. In India, census activities are spearheaded by the Office of the Population Registrar General and Census Commissioner. Concerned authority collects information on the number of people in the country, their age, sex, socio-economic status, etc., and analyzes these at specific interval of time. This activity is known as population census. There are many benefits in conducting population studies. 1. Population studies help the government to quantitatively assess the different needs of the people and to plan activities and programs accordingly. 2. It informs the availability of human resource in a country. 3. It depicts the extent of these facilities required by the people. 4. Through this, government can quantify goods and services required. 5. It determines the socio-economic development policies. According to the United Nations Organization report of 2014, the world population is 724.4 crores. 1 in every 6% of the world population is an Indian. It means 17.5% of the world population is in India. China ranks first in position with 19.4% of world population. In terms of land area, India ranks 7 with only 2.4% of total world area. The second quantitative feature of human resources is population density. Density of population refers to the number of people per square kilometer area. In India, population density is not same everywhere. Density differs state-wise. The third quantitative feature of human resource is population growth. Population growth refers to the increase in the number of people in an area within a specific period of time. It is indicated in terms of percentage. Growth rate means increase in population as compared to the previous year. Here is given population growth of India. From this we can understand decadal growth rate is maximum between the period of 1961 to 1971. Likewise, decadal growth rate was minimum between the period of 1941 to 1950. There are many factors which influence the population structure of the country. Birth rate, death rate, and migration are such factors. Here, birth rate means number of live births per thousand. Death rates means number of deaths per thousand. Migration means the settlement of people from a region to another region. For example, when the birth rate of the country increases along with decreasing death rate, population of that country increases. When birth rate decreases along with increasing death rate, population of that country declines. When birth rate and death rate are equal in a country, population remains unchanged. When a country experiences immigration, its population increases. On the other hand, when a country experiences emigration, its population decreases. The fourth quantitative feature of human resource is population structure. Age structure refers to the classification of population into different age groups and presenting the ratio of each group in the population. Here, classification is done in an age group like from 0 to 14 years age group, from 15 to 59 years age group, 60 and above years age group. According to the Census of India 2011, percentage of population belong to the age group of 0 to 14 is 29.4%. Percentage of total population belongs to the age group of 60 years and above is 8%. Another important term related to population structure is labor force participation rate. Labor force participation rate refers to the ratio population in the age group of 15 to 59 who are either employed or actively looking for jobs. This age group has the capacity to contribute to the progress of the nation. Another term related to population structure is dependency ratio. The age groups 0 to 14 and 60 years and above are included in the dependent group. The proportion of them in total population is known as dependency ratio. This group depend on the working force of the country. An increase in the dependency ratio decreases the per capita income of a country. Many people in the age group of 15 to 59 years do not have a job. This points to the necessity of utilizing the human resource aptly. Another term related to population structure is sex ratio. The sex ratio plays an important role in determining the human resource of the country. Sex ratio means the number of females per thousand of males. According to Census of 2011, the sex ratio in India is 940.